All right, we are at a fun one today. We got a phone call from a retail telecommunications shop that the whole showroom flooded with sewage water. So I rush over here, take a look at it. They've got fans on it. That's the first no-no. You don't put fans on a sewage loss. We all know that. Okay, now I'm evaluating everything, and as I look through, here's what I find. I'm all the way out of the doorway to the sales floor, and I got water in the wall. I got water in the carpet. Water goes all the way to the back of the store in the employee break room where the safes are at. So I've got sewage water behind the base, behind the safe. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna move these safes to get to the drywall behind to get it out so it doesn't become mold. We've also got all this flooring that is VCT, and I've got water underneath it. I've got a break room that's got water underneath it. I've got contents sitting in water back here that I'm gonna have to get out. I gotta get them dry. I gotta get my asbestos test done to be legal, and I can see that the water is absorbing into the contents back here. These boxes of contents that got wet are gonna need to be opened up, the contents saved if they're dry, and the box is thrown away, because otherwise that's gonna be a problem. And I've got the showroom. Out here in the showroom, I've got all this carpet, and the carpet is wet with Cat 3 sewage water. And not only do I need to get all this taken care of, they want the store open. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna rush this job to make it safe for the public so they can be over there on their side of the containment. I'm gonna have to have my decon chamber over here. I've gotta give the management the ability to enter and get back to the safe in the back room. And I've gotta keep the public out. And I gotta get it done in quick time so they don't lose sales.